Boom, boom, return shipping, orders being processed. Let's do it. Let's do it. Cardinal for the win. Come on, Cardinal. Get her done. Get her done. Get her done.
I feel like I'm chosen. I'm covered in gold.
Welcome back, friends, to another edition of Fauntleroy's Finest, and today we are live copying on the FTP website. This has been my most anticipated drop, maybe of this whole month.
Damn.
Our best friend, Mr. Drops, did say that May is going to be a month of heat for Supreme. We obviously did see a few of these Nike collaboration leaks come out. Not really sure how I feel about those shoes, but you know what? Doesn't really matter, because today we're going FTP. We don't care about Supreme today. We're going FTP. My main goal today is to grab one of those sweaters that I saw from the original leak, and then I'm gonna have to grab one of those t-shirts of all the guys playing poker. I'm really digging the tees that I've seen so far in this collaboration. Also, you know, Larry's going after some pants. I might be grabbing some pants today. It's all gonna depend on retail. You know what? We gotta get the good stuff, okay, guys? Sky's the limit. I'm feeling this drop today, so we might do some business.
There's no I in team, but there is an I in pie.
Also, guys, just FYI, the 1,000 subscriber giveaway is coming soon. I will be giving away a size 10 dead stock pair of Gundam SB Dunks. All you have to do to be eligible to win those is just be a subscriber. That's it. Nothing crazy. Let's see who's ready in the Discord. Who's ready? Nobody. Nobody's ready in the Discord. Alright, guys, we have 2 minutes left. Ric Flair is excited. He's saying, woo! All the folks in the Discord are ready. Efren maybe not, but everybody else. Larry's ready. Highland's ready. We're going broke today. Alright, folks, back to the grind. We're here to do it. We're gonna get FTP today, folks. We're not going to be denied. We're going to go and buy things today. Oh no, site. Come on. Refreshing, refreshing, refreshing. Let's do it. They're not gonna Supreme me today. We're not getting high traffic. The population of my closet's about to get effed if you don't refresh.
Body wash and car wash.
It's for sure 12 o'clock. There it is. Dang it. Okay. Where's my sweater? Where's my sweater? Did they not have it? I don't see anything that I want here. Is there more pages? Crowbar's kind of cool. They're loading more things. Shoot. Oh, here's my sweater. Yes. Large. Add to cart. Need it. And then I want to get... Dang, how much that jersey? That jersey's cool too. She. That jersey's really cool. Gotta get it. I like this one. I like this one. Maybe in purple. It's kind of a cool shirt. See, the shirts are a good price too. I'm just gonna try to go for it here. What is this? Bully Tee. FTP. The hats are kind of cool. I should come back for this stuff. Crowbar. Digital scale. That's kind of cool. Hockey puck. I don't see the one that I really wanted here. Oh, it's this one. Oh snap, this one is cool.
Wow.
Yes sir. Boom green. Large, add to cart. What do we got here? Let's do it. Check out. I'm checking out now. Boom. Yeah, check out. Come on, man. What is going on here? Sorry, that was bad. That was my fault. See, nothing. This is really easy. Nothing crazy. There's no bicycle. Is that a bicycle? That's a motorcycle. There's nothing crazy here. Come on, come on, come on. Let's check out. Let's check out. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it done. Calculating taxes. Come on. This is what we do. This is what we do. This is why we have the autofill. Boom, boom. Return shipping. Orders being processed. Let's do it. Let's do it. Cardinal for the win. Come on, Cardinal. Get her done. Get her done. Get her done. I just went and did the cart myself. I probably shouldn't have. Boom. Boom. We got it. We got it, kids. I did damage. I did enough damage. That cart there is good. I'm gonna go back, actually, I'm gonna take a look at some pants. Larry was talking about pants. I wanna look at the pants real quick. Otherwise, I think we're good. This little velour, holy smokes, that's pretty tight. That's a nice jacket right there. I don't want an $80 velour jacket.
Nope.
Dang, that's pretty nice. Maybe do I get a pair of pants? Add to cart. I'm adding it to cart. We might be getting some pants. We're maybe getting some pants here. If there's anything else that we need.
I would put floodlights on them.
Any hats, maybe? Some slides? Sure, let's do it. Get some slides. Those are cheap, right? Some pants and some slides. Leather belt. Oh, wait, a belt? Logo belt. You know what? I'll do that. I don't need slides. I'd rather get a belt. Get the pants and the belt. Check it out now. Let's do it. Palm trees. Boom. That's good. Submit. And then we're done. Hopefully these pants fit me. I don't know. I've never tried the pants. They're sold out anyways. Okay, so never mind. So I took too long for that. Now I want them because I couldn't get them. People are onto us. They know that we're here. They know that this site releases things. I don't know. I think I got what I wanted. That's a cool shirt too. In loving memory, that's funny. I think I got that one right. That's a cool color. Like, again, I'm just like replacing this one. Oh, damn it. I forgot the bandana set. Dog bowl. Should we get the dog bowl? I don't need a dog bowl. Logo duct tape. We can do a little card of stupid things. Got a crowbar. Not so interested in that. Oh, they got the all over repeat beanies. Yeah, I think I'm okay. I think I'm good. Too bad I wasn't fast enough to get my first pair of pants.
I can't believe this is happening again.
There we go, boys. Posting to success. We did it. This tee is cool. I did not see the front of it before, but now I do. Like, that's awesome. That FTP and cards. That's a cool shirt. Yeah, so this t-shirt sold out as well. I thought the purple colorway, again. I was definitely trying to go after some colors today. I've got lots of neutral tones in the closet, so it will brighten up the day for sure for me. Okay, so yeah, some of these hats are selling out. I am gonna see how this one fits me. I did buy this overdyed 6-panel hat. Oh, it's sold out. Great. Okay, so a lot of the stuff I got sold out. Yeah, this stuff is kind of going a lot faster than it used to. Last look, jackets are selling out. Oh man, those jerseys are going. That jersey's cool too. Do I get a pen work shirt? That'd be fun. Sold out. We don't, I guess. What about the white one? Sold out.
Give me it out!
I thought about the pen afterwards. I do like this one, actually. It's kind of a cool crew neck. Screen printed, okay. So that one's all screen printed on the shirt. Alright, it looks like everything's starting to sell out now, so I'm just kind of browsing for no reason. For real though, shout out to Zach and all the other guys at FTP. This was a great drop. You guys really nailed it.
It's quite pungent.
I think all this stuff is great. I would have no problem rocking almost anything that you dropped today. Probably not the dog collar.
Oh, it looks good on you, though.
But even that's like super drippy, man. Your dog would be the envy of the block for sure. So yeah, lots of items selling out. Looks like it was a really successful drop. I hope you guys were able to grab what you wanted, and I will see you next video.
What do you mean I'm finished? I'm just getting started. Put you on the sideline like Vince Lombardi.